Hello everyone, today we will make cycle using craft papers and straws. Take small papers and roll them and stick them together as shown. Now take a straw, cut it short and fold it from between and stick it with the wheels. Stick its handle and other parts as shown. Use clay to make its seats. Now we will make moonlight hanging. Cut two papers of half moon shape and make a bunny face as shown and stick it to the moon. Stick its hand, now stick clouds. Now take a plastic cup, make its handle and stick it on the back of the moon and paste another moon on it. Now put a small light in the plastic cup and it's ready. Now we will make a hanging lotus. Take a plastic cup, make its handle. Now take a yellow paper, cut frills as shown and stick it around the cup. Now take a pink and green paper, cut it in lotus shape as shown and stick it around. Now open the leaves, put a small light in the cup and it's ready. Now we will make a hanging fish light. Take a paper cup, cut it little from the two sides, put it eyes as shown. Now stick its tails, fins and draw lines over it. Put a small light into the cup and make its handle and it's ready. Now we will make an aeroplane using craft paper. Take a square shaped craft paper and fold it step by step as directed in the videos. Watch the video carefully as it is little bit tough. Follow each steps carefully. We will make its tails, wings and cockpits just by folding. Now cut it from the back to make its tail. Follow each steps carefully. Make it wings and fold it. Cut it its wings and your aeroplane is ready to take off. Now we will make a ninja star. Take a small square shaped paper, fold it carefully step by step as shown. Make few more and fix them with each others by the technique shown here. After fixing all, push it in the way as shown in the video and your ninja star is ready. Now we'll make a fish using craft paper. Take a paper, cut it in the shape of a fish, draw its eyes and mouth. Take earbuds to make its body parts. Apply glue and stick the earbuds in the way as shown and your fish is ready. Now we will make a pineapple. Cut oval shaped paper and take green paper to make its crown as shown. Make its outer covering by rolling yellow small papers and stick it on it and make dot using black marker as shown and it's ready. Now we will make a car using marble stone. Take a marble stone, color it as shown in the video. Draw its windows, color it, draw its wheels and fill it with black color and lights. And your car is ready. Thanks for watching.